Hey guys, welcome to LawnCareMadeEasy.com. I'm Zach Stroud. Today I'm going to talk to you about a folding pruning saw. And this is a really great tool to have on hand, so stay tuned, and when we get back we'll talk all about it. Hey guys, welcome back. Okay, so like I said, we're going to be talking about pruning saws. This is actually a saw that I use a good bit in my landscaping. I usually take it outside, put it in my back pocket anytime I go out, because you never know, and there's something that you're going to prune kind of small that the smaller hand pruners won't take care of. So this is one of the folding saws, hand saws that I usually keep all the time. It's got a 7-inch blade here, nice serrated teeth. These are probably about close to maybe 1/4 of an inch teeth that are on it. I still have some wood in it, so I've used this very recently. You know, I think it'll cut up to about 2 inches. Usually you want to cut 1.5 or lower, because what happens is you really get tired, your shoulder will wear out some. So usually you want to keep it about 1.5 inches or less. It doesn't work really good on dead wood, like wood you see laying around. It's been laying around in the woods or something like that for a long time. It doesn't do really good on that, because that wood's already kind of crumbling and falling apart. It's usually best if you use this with any type of live wood, okay, like a small tree limb or something like that. So this is a great tool to have. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go outside. It's really windy out there, so I wanted to do this first in here so I could kind of show you the blade. I'm going to take some close-up shots of it, and I'm going to show you how I use it outside. Okay, so let's go outside and take a look. Okay guys, so this is a fruit tree I have in my yard. This is probably about the size of limb you'll be using with this. Here's another one over here. It'll definitely go through this. It may take you a little bit longer, but this is more the size of limb that you'll be looking for, because you got to cut it back here. And it is January, so this would be the perfect time if you do have to do this. January is the perfect time. That way all the sap is down, tree is dormant, and it's a perfect time. So I'm going to show you right now. So right here is where we're going to cut, and then you can see about how easy and how efficient this thing is to use. Okay, so just going to cut this. The longer ones that you can buy for about, they're 10 inches. The blade will be about 10 inches, and it has a little bit, the teeth are a little bit longer, but you can see that it can take some time to get through this. So just think if it was even bigger. And then it starts to come off. So you can see where I just cut that off. That's probably about, let me measure that. It's probably about, yeah, right at about 1.5 inches, close to it. This one's probably a good 2 inches, a little bit more. Or yeah, right at 2 inches. But this is usually the limbs that you're looking to cut. Something really a lot smaller than this, at least. So just want to show you an example. Okay guys, welcome back. What a windy day it is here. I hope you could hear a lot of that. I'm going to try to muffle it as much as I can when we do the editing. So, but anyway, great saw. Some of the great brands out there for at least beginners, or if you're using it in your landscaping, you could use Felco. You could use Corona. Fiskars is a pretty good one. You can buy that at Lowe's, Home Depot. They sell that. They make some pretty good. I think they've come a lot further than they were a few years ago. with a lot of their products, but for something that's you're gonna have more longevity on, I'd probably go with either the Corona or the Felco. This is a Bond. That's a really good brand as well. Steel has just come out with one. So there's a lot of brands out there you can look for if you're just trying to try some things out, or if you just use them here, maybe on your property. Those are some really good brands to use. So I hope this video has helped you out, and like I said, this is a great time to prune. I'll be doing some more pruning videos after this one. I didn't want to do all the videos with just, I didn't want to do the video with just a bunch of different tools. That way y'all could kind of know what I'm talking about and understand it a little bit better without throwing all these tools together. So I'm going to do individual videos with these. So I hope this helped you out, and we'll see you next time.